If you edit with the free version of CapCut, this is how you can use CapCut Pro for free, unlimited, legal, and working today without logging in or paying a cent. I'm Malva. If you want me to keep posting real zero-cost workflows, hit like, subscribe, turn on the bell, and leave a comment. It's free for you, and it helps me keep dropping more of these. Go to the official CapCut website, download the desktop app, install it, and open it. Do not sign in and do not click Join Pro. Stay on the free version the whole time. First thing, set where CapCut saves its working files so you can grab your results later without hunting. Open Settings, find Save to this folder, and point it to a folder you control. I'm creating one called CapCut Drafts. Confirm the change so everything CapCut processes from now on lands there. Double-check the path. If you switch drives later, update this setting again so outputs don't scatter. Create a new project, import your clips like you normally do, then drag them to the timeline and build a quick rough cut so we can test fast. Now we're going to do what usually triggers the paywall. Open the effects panel and pick a couple with the little diamond icon. That diamond marks Pro. Add one or two so it's obvious. Do the same with a transition that has the diamond, and throw a premium sticker on the opening seconds so we have something easy to check. Add your music track and line it up. At this point, if you try to export, CapCut will nag you to join Pro. We're not going to export. Instead, go back to the timeline and select everything. Click and drag to marquee the entire sequence so every clip, effect, transition, and sticker is highlighted. Right-click and choose Create Combine Clip. CapCut wraps your whole edit into a single container while keeping all the pieces inside. If you ever need to change something, you can right-click and undo the combined clip later, but for this trick, we'll keep it combined. Now here's the move that changes everything. Right-click that combined clip and choose Pre-Process Clip. You'll see a small progress percentage appear near the bottom. Let it run. As of today, this runs quickly. Watch it move through 20, 30, 40%, and finish in a minute or two depending on your machine. What's happening behind the scenes is CapCut is rendering your timeline into its drafts cache. No export dialog, no watermark, no pro checkout. When it finishes, don't export. Go to the folder you set in Settings. Inside, CapCut organizes by month and day. Open today's folder, then open Resources, then Combined. Inside Combined, you'll see the video file CapCut just created from your timeline. Open it. You'll see your pro effects, the paid transition, the sticker, your music, everything baked in, clean, and ready to use. That's the result we wanted, created entirely with CapCut's own workflow. I'll run it one more time in a quick sequence so you can mirror it without pausing. Free CapCut, not signed in. Settings, point drafts to your own folder, new project, import media, drop clips on the timeline, add a couple diamond effects, add a premium transition, add a sticker, add music, do not export, select all, right-click, create combined clip, right-click, pre-process clip. Wait for the percentage to finish. Open your drafts folder. Go month, day, resources, combined, and there's your finished file. A few practical notes so you don't get stuck. If your version's wording is slightly different, it may say pre-render or similar. It's the same idea. If create combined clip is grayed out, make sure the entire timeline is selected, not just one track. Try Control or Command A to select all. If the progress bar hangs, cancel, recombine the clips, and run pre-process again. If you accidentally clicked export and hit the paywall, cancel, go back to the combined clip and pre-process instead. If you need to tweak the edit after pre-processing, you can still undo the combined clip, make your changes, then combine and pre-process again. Quality matters, so set it up front. Before you begin, check your project resolution and frame rate so the pre-processed file inherits exactly what you want. If the audio drifts out of sync, that usually means the timeline FPS changed mid-project. Set it first, then combine and pre-process. Also keep an eye on disk space. The drafts path can grow fast if you're making lots of versions. When you grab your finished file from Combined, move it to your main project folder and name it clearly, like example.mp4, so nothing gets lost. If playback looks choppy inside CapCut, but the saved file is smooth, that's just preview performance. Judge quality from the file you pulled from Combined. Let me give you a realistic workflow so this fits your day-to-day. Do your rough cut first so you're not pre-processing constantly. Lock timing, then layer in your pro effects and transitions. Combine, pre-process, and pull the output from the drafts path. For batches of shorts or reels, duplicate the timeline, swap the media, keep the effects, combine, pre-process, and collect all the outputs from the same day's folder. It's fast once you've done it 2 or 3 times. If you collaborate, show your editor where that drafts folder lives so they can grab the clean file without touching export. Common questions I get. Does this affect quality? No. Your output reflects the project settings you chose, so set resolution and FPS at the start. Can you still tweak after pre-processing? Yes. Undo the combined clip, adjust, then combine and pre-process again. What if your app language shows slightly different menu names? The positions are the same. You're looking for the combined action and the pre-process action on the right-click menu for the combined clip. Will this always work? It works today because it uses built-in behavior. If CapCut changes the flow in a future update, I'll test new paths and post an updated guide. Quick recap you can screenshot. Free CapCut, don't sign in and don't join Pro. In Settings, set your Drafts folder. New project, import media, build the timeline. Add diamond effects, premium transitions, stickers, and music. Select all, create combined clip. Right-click, pre-process clip. Open the drafts path, go month, day, resources, combined, and take your file. No export dialog, no watermark, no pro checkout. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe, turn on the bell, and drop a comment telling me what you tried, what effects, what transitions, and how it worked for you. When I see a lot of support, I'll keep releasing the next round of free and unlimited tricks I've got lined up, including new VO3 workflows. Thanks for watching. I'm Malva, and I'll see you in the next one.